What's going on, everybody? And in today's video I'm going to show you how to make the most delicious crispy deep fried poached eggs. These are great to make and will change the way you eat your eggs at breakfast time. To start this recipe, we're going to preheat our oven to 180 degrees. Here I have 3 pieces of white loaf bread and we're just going to cut these up into small cubes. Then on a baking tray with baking paper, we're going to add the bread, spread it out evenly. Then we're going to place these in our preheated oven for 12 minutes to dry out and become nice and crunchy. And we're going to toss them around halfway through. Then in the meantime, we're going to fill a large saucepan 3/4 full of water, add 3 tablespoons of white vinegar, and bring it to a boil. Then after 12 minutes, our bread's nice and dried out and really crunchy. We're going to add this to a blender. We're then going to process this till it's nice and finely ground. We're then going to add this to a bowl. Then now that our pot is at a boil, we're going to stir it to create a whirlpool motion. And add 3 free-range eggs. And then we're going to poach these for 2.5 minutes. Then after 2.5 minutes, we're going to get these out and put them straight into ice water. And what the ice water does is stops them from cooking any further. We can then turn that off and get rid of the water. Then in a small to medium saucepan, we're going to fill it 3/4 of the way with vegetable oil. We're going to bring this up to a nice hot heat. And if you have a thermometer, you want to bring it to 180 degrees Celsius. We're then going to drain our poached eggs onto some kitchen towel to make sure they're extremely dry. Then whilst our eggs are drying off, I'm going to add 1 egg yolk to a bowl and 60 milliliters of milk and whisk this around to make an egg wash. Then here in another bowl I have 50 grams of plain flour. We're going to coat the eggs gently in the flour, being careful not to break them. Into the egg wash, then into the breadcrumbs. And you just want these to be nice and thinly coated. Then now that our oil is at a nice hot temperature, we're going to really carefully place the eggs in the hot oil. And I recommend cooking one at a time just for safety reasons. We're going to cook this for about 1 to 1.5 minutes, just until the breadcrumbs become a nice light brown colour. And just be careful whilst you're doing this part because the oil is extremely hot and can cause you some serious burns. Then after about 1.5 minutes, going to carefully get it out of here, drain the oil off, and put it straight onto paper towel to continue draining. Then we're going to turn our oil off and allow it to completely cool down. And now it's time to reveal these beauties. And that looks absolutely amazing. Nice and crunchy on the outside and beautiful soft yolk in the center. I really hope you enjoyed this video and learned something. If you did, consider subscribing to learn all the best recipes, tips, tricks and secrets. Please like, share and comment, and if there's any recipes that you'd like to see me make, please leave them in the comment section down below and I'll be sure to make them. I hope you all have a fantastic day. Thanks again for watching. Bye for now.